Alright, this is video 157 and I want to wish you all a very happy Easter. So today is Easter and I was like, I'm going to make a video and do a shout out to one of my subscribers because I've got a couple of more subscribers since yesterday. 478 subscribers and I'm almost at 500 subscribers, and I want to ask you, if you're not subscribed yet, feel free to click that subscribe button below to subscribe so I can get to 500. But today, this is going to be a shout out to one of my new subscribers. If you, by the way, also want a shout out, just put it in the comment box down below and I'll give you a shout out. No worries about that. It's free for me and it's free for you. So just do it and I'll make a video about it. So let's see, one of my subscribers actually commented on one of my videos. So I made this video, best YouTube microphone Blackhawk Spark SL versus Blue Yeti X comparison, and I got this comment from Harris TMD. Can you please give me a shout out? I'm trying to get to 400 subscribers. And I said, awesome, I'll do that. So why not? This is Harris TMD. Let's check out his channel. He has 245 subscribers, which is pretty good. And let's see his videos. So I can see already that this is Fortnite, probably Q&A, how to make slime. Again, Fortnite, so a lot of Fortnite stuff. Let's check out his most popular video. So we'll just check that one out. New unboxing the Biogenic Xbox One Players Pack.
Yeah, hello everybody, welcome back to Harris TMD, where today we are unboxing the...
Did he actually forget his YouTube name?
Yeah, hello everybody, welcome back to Harris TMD.
Okay, but like Harris, oh no, wait, the name is TMD, I'm sorry about that. Alright, types of friends with my cousin. That's actually cool. I also like my cousin, so he's also making videos with his cousin. That's cool.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Harris TMD, where today we're going to be showing you guys types of friends. And yeah, we'll just go on to enjoy the video, subscribe, like, comment, whatever. Share my channel with all your friends and family. And remember to use code SHARPSHADE in the Fortnite item shop.
Maybe talk a little bit slower, like just a quick tip so everyone can understand what you're saying.
I'm so thirsty. You want water, my guy? Yeah. The fullest. Thanks, my man. High five. Good friends.
Oh, this is good. Bad friends.
Sure, use some water right now. Hey, dude, you want some water? Yes. Bad friends, the ones that betray you.
Oh, that's actually good. The ones that betray you. Okay. I made most of these videos I did myself like a couple of years ago. So I'm 24 years old now. I think he's about, I don't know, I think about 15, 16, I don't know, 15 probably. So those are cool videos. If you enjoy making videos, just make them like he does. And I don't care about people who dislike videos. Like he has, I think, about 2 dislikes on this video. Like, why would you dislike this video? This is fun. He's not doing any harm with these videos. So I actually like Harris, if you're watching this, cool content, keep it up, man. And in about 5 years you'll probably look at these videos and be like, oh my god, why did I make this? But that's why you should make them, because you can look back at those videos and be like, why did I make this? So this is a promise I'm going to make. When I have 500 subscribers, I'm going to get all my old videos, which are not on this channel, but on other channels that are like in the dark part of YouTube, which you normally don't see. Those are over there. So when I have 500 subscribers, I'm going to show you these videos and we'll have a big laugh about those. Yeah, it's not that I'm like a very big YouTuber. You have 245 subscribers, which is pretty good in my opinion. I only have like 478 or something right now. So that's not like I'm a really big subscriber, but I was like, okay, you want a shout out? I'm gonna give you the shout out. So Harris, I wish you a very good Easter, and for all your family, stay safe and all that stuff. And for everyone else watching, if you're not subscribed yet, click that subscribe button and that like button down below. Again, wish you a very happy Easter. Wish you all the best of luck and all the best of health, of course, because that's very important this time of year. and I hope I'll see you in my next video.